So now Skipjack's safely next to my workshop, I need to build a roof over her. But before I do that, I thought I'd give you a little tour. Pitch pine planking, which was originally corked and paid. At some point someone's laid a marine ply deck and then epoxy sheathed it. Wasp's nest. I'd love to get this old hob going, but I doubt I can get parts for it anymore. Here's a old builder's plate, H. Gale from West Cowes. You can just about see here, it says Admiralty boats. They used to build obviously boats for the Admiralty, but seaplanes as well, from about 1910, I think it was, until the 30s. So Skipjack's transom is very odd. I've never seen a boat, I mean I've seen some dodgy repairs, but where the transom overlaps the planking. Usually the planking overlaps the transom and you can see the plank edges there, but not on Skipjack. And also you see what looks like a crack here, goes up to the gudgeon then comes down. That is actually a separate piece of timber at the top, and then you've got this line at the bottom. So whether that is a repair and why it's fashioned like that, I have no idea. I've just taken off Skipjack's nameplate so you can see the transom a bit better. And it is very strange. It's elm, so I think it's original, but it's just got this really weird shape cut out of it. I suppose this piece does look a lot older than that, so maybe it was a repair, but I originally thought maybe she had a counter stern and the counter stern had rotted and somebody had cut it off and then just put this dead straight transom on it. But I've got pictures of her from the year she was launched, 1912, and they show her with the same blunt square transom. She's even described as a square transom boat. So obviously her stern post wants replacing. You can see that big old shake in there, and the hood ends are starting to come away where it's rotten inside there. And not only that, she's had some kind of worm, probably teredo worm or something. So this whole piece will need to come out. So another problem I'm going to tackle is the garboard and possibly the plank above it as well. She was splined here, you can see the gap. There's a massive gap, too big for caulking, and I think rather than splining it, I'll probably just replace the plank as it's very old, has a lot of shakes in it and so on. The garboard looks okay until you come amidships and some of the floor fastenings are mild steel and they've obviously rusted and then caused damage to the garboard. So I think the best way is a new garboard. I mean, it's, as far as garboards go, it's quite easy. There's not a lot of twist. If I come down here, it's quite a straight run. It's just a wide plank, but it's nice and straight, relatively straight. And then another problem is her stem. Again, big old shakes down here. And then it's coming away. She's had a repair in the past. So certainly an outer stem, if not a whole new stem. Skipjack's rudder, also in need of a big repair. I think I will probably reuse the stock. The last owner told me that he had the rudder fixed and a new stock made. You can see this is Iroko. This looks like oak. So I'll probably use the old stock, but I'm going to have to build a whole new blade. See, it's had a little repair there in the past. Probably reuse these bronze butterflies, clean those up, but then I'll have to fabricate a new blade and then put some pins, bronze pins or studding through there. So I've just picked up these old floor joists, which I'm going to use for making a tent / shed for Skipjack. They were next to nothing, but I need to de-nail them, so I'll let you know how long that takes. Took me just over an hour. I then needed to rip down the 8x2 into 4x2. The plan is to build a stud wall to support some roof trusses on the starboard side of the boat, and on the port side the roof truss will land on top of the truck body you can see with the white roller door. Luckily for you, that's when the memory on my phone ran out. I had planned to build a roof over Skipjack this week, but unfortunately life got in the way. I'm only working on Skipjack one day a week because I've still got other work commitments. I'm currently working at the National Maritime Museum Falmouth building a World War II surf boat. I hope to show you some more of that sometime soon. In the meantime, please like and subscribe, and I'll do my best to put out weekly videos. Thanks for watching. Cheers!